You're so weird and.
Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror? You're hideous. You're like
I wonder why you're
the beast, but you're the beast.
I wonder why you're wearing your glasses.
Yeah, to hide my eyes from burning.
Not burning anymore, huh?
Ouch! Ouch!
Stop acting dumb.
I'm acting dumb. You're
No,
the
dumb.
weirdo who acts like a pop star in the stores.
You're the weirdo who's all like this.
Yeah,
And like
sure.
this in the videos we make, and I'm tired.
Oh, yeah. I love Justin Bieber. He's hot. He's such a bad boy. I love him.
Too bad I do.
You're obsessed.
I don't care. Some other girls are more obsessed.
Yeah. They just win concert tickets because you can't.
It's because
You're not good enough.
at least I don't like Cody Simpson.
Damn! I didn't say I didn't like him. I said I liked his songs.
Oh,
and now
that's
I don't.
not what I
Oh,
heard.
shit.
You liar! You lying to everybody now.
What?
You said you liked him. You have posters of him. You like his songs.
Poster. One poster. And you have like 12 of Justin Bieber.
You're stupid.
You're stupid.
What?